Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary criticism and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss multicultural feminisms. Introduction. Multicultural feminism encompasses the diverse perspectives and experiences of feminist minorities, particularly women of color and lesbians. These feminists often engage in identity politics, highlighting their essential differences from white, heterosexual, mainstream society. This video explores the unique concerns of black feminists and other minority feminist groups, the influence and recognition of their contributions, and the intersection with post-colonial feminisms. Women of color in feminism. Women of color in feminism emphasize identity politics, focusing on the essential differences that set them apart from mainstream society. While these feminists share common experiences of oppression, each group has its own specific concerns and cultural issues. Prominent groups include Black feminists, Latina and Chicana feminists, Asian American feminists, and Native American feminists. These groups recognize that both gender and race are societal constructs that shape their experiences and identities. Black feminism. Black feminists face additional layers of patriarchy that hinder their coming out and societal acceptance. They critique white feminism for often seeking patriarchal rewards at the expense of non-white women. Black feminists argue that many white feminists aim to join the power structure rather than challenge it, seeking equality within the existing system rather than transformative change. This critique highlights the deeper intersections of race, gender, and class that black feminists must navigate. Prominent figures in black feminism include Maggie Hum, who emphasizes the importance of black and lesbian motifs in feminist criticism, and Michael Awkward, who highlights the distinct influences among black women writers. Alice Walker introduces the term womanist to describe black feminists who do not turn their backs on their community, including men. Walker's work, such as The Color Purple, underscores the creative contributions of black women and the need to recognize their unique cultural heritage. Influence and recognition. The interest in black culture, particularly African American culture, has grown significantly since the 1960s. Despite this, black women writers have often been marginalized or tokenized in literary criticism. Alice Walker's concept of womanism, which emphasizes community and inclusion, has been instrumental in redefining black feminism. Walker and other black feminists like Zora Neale Hurston have sought to preserve and celebrate black female creativity through folk traditions and authentic dialects. Literary and cultural contributions. Black feminists have turned to autobiographical forms such as slave narratives and captivity narratives to express their unique experiences. These narratives are vital for understanding the historical and cultural context of black women's lives. Efforts to challenge the traditional literary canon have led to the recovery and redefinition of marginalized figures and works. Critics like Bell Hooks and Maya Angelou have played significant roles in this cultural reclamation. Post-colonial feminism. Post-colonial feminism examines the global nature of feminist movements and the specific challenges faced by women in third world countries. Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak is a prominent voice in this field, exploring the impact of political independence on subaltern women. Spivak's work emphasizes the need to understand the diverse and complex realities of women's lives across different cultural and political contexts. Conclusion. Multicultural feminism highlights the diversity within feminist movements and the importance of intersectionality. By recognizing the unique experiences and challenges faced by minority feminists, multicultural feminism enriches the broader feminist discourse. The contributions of Black feminists, post-colonial feminists, and other minority groups are essential for a comprehensive understanding of gender and social justice. Their work underscores the need for a more inclusive and transformative approach to feminism that addresses the intersecting oppressions of race, gender, class, and sexuality. So this was the discussion on multicultural feminisms. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other approach. Until then, goodbye and thank you.